Fresh off stage, told the doc I can't sleep. Every time I close my eyes, feel like it's a waste of time. And then I start to think how I just told my mama I'ma get her where she wanna be, just a matter of timing. My teachers used to tell me that this rhyming just a waste of time, so I threw my watch away and practiced perfect timing. I'm flowing with these slow smos who don't know they supposed to be something different, but they cool just being clones who know they growing old, but hoping that white snow they make believe to move, gon' get them pounds of gold instead of hard work. And it's cool cause that's most shows for me, like me and 2 times more. Claiming other niggas is whack like onomatopoeia, thinking I respond honestly, I don't see them. They feet ain't even big enough to sport these. Don't worry cause they always feel some type of way like 4 keys. Always said I would barely skate by. Well, I took that and I just kept on grinding. Fell a few times but the scuffs and burns let the world know that it's my turn. Cause I done paid dues like the rest of them, but they done let the gang get the best of them. So I stay on my grind and bet that I'm gon' shine because I got nowhere to go. But I do it for the people, killing no regal. But the cops say my flow's killing niggas so lethal. But I ain't shooting nothing but the beat down. I take the only thing you gon' hear in the streets now because I spit plain. They finally got heat down. These niggas got no backbone, like please take a seat now. Too raw for TV. Rappers can't see me like they teachers used to tell them say A.